the buyer, doing a little bit of thrashing. I'd like to do this to some of the local government officials. Put their head in here. You can't have it all your own way. Give us the fucking money, you assholes. In your head. Excellent. In you go, you fucking bastard. You good man, missing fucking thing, pushing shit wearing fuck. Hey, Westonori. Yes, here we are. I've run out of sheep, so I'll have to go get another sheep. Yeah, we've stopped. Oh, I'm taking a break, eh? Quite a hard work, to say. But anyway, I've had a little internet trouble over the last couple of days. I don't know, it's, Virgin Broadband said it was a nationwide problem when I called up, and I was just wondering if Richard Branson was maybe up above, up in his spacecraft, you know, not paying any fucking attention to us, paying our £20 a month for him to fuck around in his fucking hot air balloon. You know, much more of this and I'll be switching. Oh God. Switching the whole fucking lot off. I bet there's some of you who wish I would. Well, there's a time to reap and a time to sow and a time to fucking do nothing, and there's a time to do something. Then you do that. Yeah, I'm sure you do. You're an intelligent individual, aren't you? Right, I must crack on. Long as the wheel is going the right way, my friends. No, so bad. Thanks for watching.